Alright, magandang gabi sa inyo, Anila! Kami po ang Lilith. Maraming salamat for inviting us here. Marinig naman ang ingay dyan po! Alright. Pag inimbita nyo yung Lily, meron lang kami 2 request. Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yun? Unang request. Pwede ba kalimutan muna natin lahat ng problema natin? Right, second request. Walang mag-hold back. Lahat tayo magsasaya ngayong gabi. Kung gusto nyo kumanta kayo. Kung gusto nyo tumalon kayo. Kung gusto nyo mag-ingay kayo. Alam ko iba sa inyo, hindi nyo kilala yung katabi nyo. Tingnan nyo yung katabi nyo. Ayan. Kahit hindi nyo sila kilala o kilala nyo sila, sabi mo, let's do this. Let's do this, okay? Baka pasalamatan nyo pa ako bandang huli dyan. Alright. Anila, everybody, raise your hands in the air. Pati mga nasa likod, raise your hands in the air. Everybody clap. Kaya nyo ba tumalon? Asya, kaya nyo ba tumalon? 1, 2, 3. You reminds me out. The years have gone so lonely. Why do you have to leave me without saying that you love me? Saying I love you again. Are you listening? Open your eyes once again. Look at me crying. Only you can shout your name. Only you can give my love again. A star in the sky will never be the same. Only you reminds me out. The days have gone so empty. And why do you have to leave me without saying that you love me? Saying I love you again. Sing. Open your eyes once again. Look at me crying. Open your eyes once again. Look at me crying. Only you can shout your name. Only you can Inside